He's laughing at him. Good leg kick from you now. Thank you for the $2, the big G. Oh my God, the fight clock and everything. Give me a second. Mr. Frodo, the Eagles are coming. I wasn't muted there? Fuck, dude. I was not muted there. Wow, I just clicked it. Oh my God, I'm sorry. That is actually kind of cringe. Fuck, dude. You guys heard the fucking Lord of the Rings. Oh, fuck. That is actually makes me cringe. Fuck, dude. You guys heard that shit? Oh my God, dude. I'm sorry. Dude, Yanal's gonna, he's already getting tired. This don't look good for him at all. Jesus, dude. Fuck, dude. You guys heard that rendition of Lord of the Rings scenes? God, man, that is bad. Mr. Frodo. Fuck. Fuck, I did not mean that. I thought I clicked the I must have misclicked the mute button. Fuck, dude. He was stimming. I wasn't stimming, dude. I was setting up the fight clock. Good go! Yeah! 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 Honey, calm down. You're scaring the kids again. Yeah!